Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Bhavan Shikshak. Let's start the monthly quiz for March 2021. Question 1. Which of the following cannot be used as food preservative? A. Sodium metabisulfite, B. Sodium hydroxide, C. Sodium benzoate, D. Citric acid. The correct option is B. Sodium hydroxide. Question 2. An element X reacts with water to form a solution which turns phenolphthalein indicator pink. The element X is most likely to be A. Sodium, B. Sulfur, C. Silicon, D. Iron. The correct option is A. Sodium. Question 3. The plastic which is coated on the uniforms of firemen to make them fire resistant is A. Melamine, B. Teflon, C. Bakelite, D. Polythene. The correct option is A. Melamine. Question 4. The outermost zone of a candle flame is the A. Least hot part, B. Coldest part, C. Hottest part, D. Moderately hot part. The correct option is C. Hottest part. Question 5. Which of the following is not a rabi crop? A. Soybean, B. Peas, C. Wheat, D. linseed. The correct option is A. Soybean. Question 6. The major component of LPG is A. Hydrogen, B. Carbon monoxide, C. Methane, D. Butane. The correct option is D. Butane. The part of Earth in which living organisms exist or which supports life is called A. Lithosphere, B. Globe, C. Hydrosphere, D. Biosphere. The correct option is D. Biosphere. Question 8. The cell wall in onion peel is made of A. Starch, B. Cellulose, C. Gelatin, D. Cell sap. The correct option is B. Cellulose. Question 9. AIDS disease is caused by A. Virus, B. Protozoa, C. Fungi, D. Bacteria. The correct option is A. Virus. Question 10. A tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of A. Fertilization, B. Metamorphosis, C. Embedding, D. Budding. The correct option is B. Metamorphosis. Question 11. The magnitude of force is expressed in the unit of force called A. Pascal, B. Decibels, C. Kelvin, D. Newton. The correct option is D. Newton. Question 12. The frictional force exerted by a fluid is called A. Bragg, B. Drag, C. Drag, D. Tread. The correct option is C. Drag. Question 13. Sound can travel through A. Solids only, B. Liquids only, C. Gases only, D. All the above. The correct option is all the above. Question 14. Which of the following is a weak electrolyte? A. Carbonic acid, B. Sodium hydroxide, C. Copper sulfate, D. Nitric acid. The correct answer is A. Carbonic acid. Question 15. The agency responsible for the development of space science programs in India is A. NASA, B. ISRO, C. INSAT, D. IRS. The correct option is B. ISRO. Question 16. Which of the following will reach the earth in greater amounts if the amount of chlorofluorocarbons released in the air increases? A. Infrared rays, B. X-rays, C. Gamma rays, D. Ultraviolet rays. The correct option is D. Ultraviolet rays. Question 17. The electric nature of lightning was established by A. Isaac Newton, B. Robert Hooke, C. Benjamin Franklin, D. Thales. The correct option is C. Benjamin Franklin. Question 18. The human eye forms image of an object on its A. Retina, B. Iris, C. Cornea, D. Pupil. The correct option is A. Retina. Question 19. Name the non-metal which is liquid at room temperature. A. Chlorine, B. Fluorine, C. Iodine, D. Bromine. The correct option is D. Bromine. Question 20. Which of the following cannot be charged by friction if held in hand? A. Plastic scale, B. A copper rod, C. An inflated balloon, D. A woolen cloth. The correct option is B. A copper rod.
I hope you liked the video. For more such videos and study material, please subscribe my YouTube channel Bond Shiksha, and also do not forget to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.